Hey, what is up everybody, and welcome back to the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. It's another weekend day, which means it is another day to fire up the smoker outdoors and make some delicious food. And I'm really excited because today is probably one of the simplest, easiest to make recipes that I've made yet so far here on the channel. And you can make this as a side dish to your main course, or you could just make this and eat it. Just have it with, watching TV or having friends over, whatever it is. Today we're making a smoked pull-apart cheesy bread on the Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart. If it sounds ridiculous, it's going to taste pretty ridiculous too. But I'm ready to go, so let's get started. Alright, so what I have here are just these Rhodes frozen dinner rolls. It's very, very simple. These come in a bag in your freezer section of your grocery store. There's 36 of them in here. I'm going to use about half of that for this recipe. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to grab about 18 of these out, and I'm going to place them in my foil pan here, and I'm going to space them out just a little bit so that they can defrost. And I'm going to leave them to defrost for about 45 minutes. Alright, these are about this big. I'm just going to place them in here. Just put them a little bit apart so that they can defrost nice and easily. Alright, so there we have it. I'm going to take these inside where it's a little bit warmer just so that they can defrost nicely, and I'm going to do that for about 45 minutes, and then we'll come back and we'll take our next step. Alright, so it's been about 45 minutes. My dinner rolls are nice and thawed. You can kind of see that they're nice and thawed. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move these over to the side. And now in a large mixing bowl, I'm going to mix together a few different things here. So first I'm going to add about 1.5 cups of mild shredded cheddar cheese. Who doesn't love cheese, right? Look at that. Next, about a tablespoon of onion powder. 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Okay, just like that. About 1/4 cup of olive oil. About a teaspoon of garlic salt. Okay, a little teaspoon of basil. There we go. And a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. There we go. All right, just going to kind of mix this all up a little bit here. It's not going to be super like liquidy or watery or anything like that. Just want to incorporate all these ingredients together. I'm going to add just a little bit more olive oil here. There we go. All right, that's nice and mixed together. Set this over to the side and bring my dinner rolls back. So now I'm going to take these dinner rolls and I'm going to take each one out and I'm going to cut it into fourths. Once I've done that, I'm going to add it to that mixture. So let's go ahead and get these out. Alright, so just a real quick down the middle and down the middle. Just like that. Once I've done that, I'm just going to toss them into my bowl with that mixture. And every time I do that, just going to lightly toss it around. Okay, do the next one. In the middle, and down the middle, and into the bowl. Give it a little bit of a toss. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these. Alright, there's my last ones. Alright, with all of those in there now, just going to give them another little toss here, just to make sure that every single piece has a decent coating of that cheese mixture on it. You can really smell that garlic in there. Oh, it's going to be delicious. Alright, next, using my same pan here, I'm just going to give it a spray with some non-stick cooking spray. Just because I don't want anything sticking in there when we eventually get this off of the smoker. And now I'm going to take this entire mixture and I'm going to put it into my coated aluminum pan here. Just like that. Just going to shift it around so that it's a nice little layer there. Just like that. All right, now that we're done with pretty much everything, I'm gonna go ahead and just cover this up with aluminum foil, and then I'm gonna take it back inside again where it's a little bit warmer, and I'm gonna leave it until this dough kind of rises a little bit so that it's almost about twice the size that it is now. That's gonna take probably an hour and a half, 2 hours or so. So I'm gonna cover this up, take it inside, and then we'll be back when we're ready to put it on the smoker. All right, so it's been about 2 hours for these dinner rolls, and I just checked them. They look great. They've risen about like I want them to. And now the next step is to get them onto my Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart at 350 degrees. I'm gonna leave them on there for about 40 minutes, and then we're gonna come back and check them, take the top of the foil off, and then leave them on for about another 5 or 6 minutes until they're done. So let's go ahead and get them on the Lockhart. All right, it's been about 40 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look. Here we go. Let's see what they look like here. Oh no. Uh-oh. Okay, so we got some things happening here. Looks like the top's coming off just a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and uncover these. Have to do a little bit of, not the prettiest reveal here, but you can see they've definitely expanded. Oh, a couple stragglers. No, get in there. Ah. Okay, so we're gonna get one. All right, let's put these back in. About another 5 minutes. All right, it's been another 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and get these off the Lockhart and give them a try. All right, here we go. There we have it. Our smoked pull-apart cheesy bread. I mean, you know what? Hey, it's not the prettiest thing I've ever made. Probably should have sprayed the inside of that foil that I put on the top just to keep it from sticking, but I still think it looks pretty good. Hey, even more important than the way it looks is the way it tastes. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Just gonna grab this. Oh, the smell from this is just amazing. Looks beautiful. Smells delicious. Here we go. Very cheesy. Can you taste that garlic salt? Grab another piece here. Really, really good. Man, you take some of this and you dip it in like some marinara, and holy smokes, what a combo. Listen, definitely give this a try. It's really, really good. Like you saw, it's super simple to make. Use it as a side, use it as a snack. And hey, if you like this video, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you give us a thumbs up on this video if you like it, and turn on the post notifications by clicking that little bell icon. That way you'll know the instant that we put out new content here on the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. And check out one of these other videos of something that we've recently cooked up here on the channel. And hey, I will see you next time.